Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Right, day 2, and this is the part 2, follow on the video before. Fishing in new mark called Mosvick, I believe. Lovely mark, and the sun's shining for us as well. Sun's out, hardly any wind, we're nice and sheltered here. Beautiful. About a foot snow here. Targets cod, haddock, maybe a flatfish. According to Craig, it's pretty deep here, 30 to 40 meters. That's about 70 to 80 foot deep. Rig wise, same again, just usual puller panel rig, down to 5/0 and a 5/0 circle there with the imp 6-ounce gripper. On the other one I'm trying a new rig. It's just a single pulley rig, about 2.5 foot long, down to single ragworm. Same again, 6-ounce gripper. Lovely little mark. That's our one there parked up. Nice easy fishing. First cast going out. Hopefully get a few more fish on the tally. Yeah, what a day to be out. Literally having 4 seasons here. Sun's out, snow showers, windy, all sorts. So stay tuned guys, send these baits out. Hopefully get some nice fish on the camera, maybe a PB. That's it, be fishing everyone. Mackerel and a black look on the left, and just a ragworm on the right. Hoping for anything really, but it's supposed to be good cod and haddock mark, and flounder. So fingers crossed, get a few fish out. Loving this. Don't want to go back home. only our first day, proper first day here. Fished last night. If you missed that video, I did well on a short session. Nice 8-pound cod out, and lots of a few cold fish, and velvet shark or some sort of shark. Fought them. So not a bad trip so far. You'll only get better now, we hope. So stay tuned, hopefully get some nice fish. Craig's in, not wasting any time at all, first cast. Nice fish bud, yeah? What rig? Hopping over. Craig's on form today. Try my best. Eat fish. Oh. False alarm. That was funny. Anyway, I just can't get over the view and taking it all in at the moment. Lovely. Only our first day, but I just saying to Craig then I'll definitely come back again. Yeah, lovely. Stunning, isn't it? Hopefully see some fish. I don't usually fish with the monoline, but I've got monoline there, £20 and a £60 shock leader on the Sonic SKS Black, and a £50 straight through braid on the End Fishing Ever 6 and bait. That big cod on the first night, last night, was on the 6 and bait. That's a heavy rod. This is light to medium. Pretty decent rod. I do like it, but the guides on it are pretty brittle. As soon as you, I don't know, even traveling in the car and that, they pop out. But just got it refurbished. Got this guide done. So looks like brand new now. Big sending it like that. Out in the distance. It looks fishy here. That wind picked up again. Just changing every half an hour. Snobbing out before. Just ran back to the digs and Brewfield has some pot noodles and that. Coffee. Back out. Right, stay tuned everyone. No doubt one of us will get a fish here. Hopefully. So far I'm up to 2 species on the cod and haddock. Be nice to get something else now. But I'm after that double cod, double figure cod and big haddock maybe. But anything's welcome. There we go. It's not a blank on this new mark. Nice little dab. It's fouled up. It's been chewing at it, I think. What is it? And a starfish there, in between the weed. It was a mackerel and a black look wrap, foul look. Get it unhooked. There's a starfish there, is there? Yeah.
I think it's called a brittle starfish.
Brittle starfish. So that's the third species of the trip. Get it unhooked and send it back, still alive.
Yeah, foul looked it.
And we decided to move. We've been here a couple of hours, holding a bite, so we're gonna do a bit of shopping and go from there. Well, stay tuned guys. Next mark it'll be follow on, so master at work. I put it in the fish we caught. That's a big cod from first night. And these are the haddock.
Line.
Nice haddock release there. Looking forward to this, not had for days. Nice, alright.
Yeah, it's doing it alright. Slimy out.
I see you've done this before, Craig.
A few times, buddy.
Over. Ah, the bad boy. This will feed us all, I think. Frozen solid, left in the balcony overnight. That's one good thing about Norway. Fish won't go off. We have an early tea, and then what we doing? Hitting the landing again.
Yeah, landing. See if we get some ling.
Ling.
Ling, yeah, maybe a big cod when it drops dark.
Over low water again.
Yeah.
And, chance of cod, ling, haddock. Missed a bit.
Yeah, it's gone bad. Knife hasn't cut off in there.
No. And it's freezing as well, so not doing a bad job there, Craig. There's a couple of people fishing off the pier in front of the digs. It's that way, isn't it, where we're fishing tonight?
Yeah.
Left hand side.
Yeah.
That's the landing under the legs of the bridge. So far, really enjoyable. Not many fish been caught, but one of the target was haddock, so got my target species. I know it's not big, but still a haddock end of the day. Hopefully get a nice big link, and then be planning a trip for halibut session. So plenty to come. Stay tuned, everyone. Catch you in a bit, maybe in the kitchen. Catch and cook. One and only Craig Sagar.
Yeah. Right, guys. It's one for the boys. Yeah, it's not the best knife. It's
No.
gone blunt quick.
Oh well, we got plenty of fish there.
Yeah.
Yeah, a couple more fish there yet. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in a bit. There we go. Food's served. If anyone's hungry, everyone's welcome. Just a basic haddock and cod fillets there in a butter, and a salt and pepper on there, and a pasta cooked in a butter. You can't have pasta without ketchup and spicy sauce and lemon, fresh lemon to go with it. Enjoy, bud.
Oh, I'm gonna do. Thank you.
Here we go again. Round 2, day 2, following on from part 2, which was not the best session, but we're back on the landing again, under the bridge with full crew. We're trying for hopefully a link, more haddock and a cod. One rod out already, not wasting any time. That's got a couple of ragworm wrapped together on the up and over rig. The other one just got a nice size mackerel bait there. I'll turn the light off. Got Ulumi beads on there, as you can see. Up on it, good for a link. So as it gets dark, fishing over low water. Unfortunately, it's not really been educational videos. Reason being, my first ever time being in Norway, and it's only Craig who's been here many times. He's kind of guiding us, telling us how to fish. So all I can say, fishing over low water, mainly pulley panel. That's a pulley panel, and up and over ledger are probably about 100 yards out. You need the distance here to get in the fish, especially haddock, but you can never know at night. Yeah, that's it. Hopefully get some more fish, guys. That's the aim. More fish, hopefully bigger fish. It's been pretty poor today, especially for the lads. I've only caught one fish so far. I'll tell that nice and quiet. Don't let him hear it. But hopefully, yeah, we get into some fish this evening. Probably fish about 3-4 hours, and might end up in the pier in front of the digs. So, as always, stay tuned. Hopefully, get some nice fish on the camera for you.
Glad I got a slack liner, saw that bite.
Adam's in.
Oh, finally.
Hopefully, first fish of the day.
Took me all day to get my first fish. Well, I haven't landed it yet.
It's been a very hard going today. It's coming in. What do you think?
I'm thinking
First
it's a haddock
haddock.
because this is on ragworm. It's not fighting too much.
No, we all getting bites now as well.
Yeah, nice little kick vent. Yeah.
Definitely something there coming in. Let's see.
Yeah, kicking still. Still going. It's deep out there as well, even at low tide.
Come on, Adam, get one. Get this in. Where are they?
It's keeping low.
Yeah.
Oh, see a bit of colour.
Colour. And the first haddock off the strip.
Whee!
Is it haddock?
Oh, it looks like a little codlin, I think. Yeah, a little codlin.
You okay winching it?
Oh fuck! Oh, Craig, get it!
Are you on it? Are you on it?
Oh, you're on it, I think.
Oh.
You're on it.
Oh, am I?
Oh no?
No, I don't think I am, mate.
Oh, you are, you
I
are,
am,
you
I'm
are.
over it, I'm over it.
No.
Right, okay. I'll walk,
Quick check my rods. See what's going on with them. Because I was getting bite on the rag as well.
Now we're going to get this up now, just winch it up.
You winch it up, bud.
It's not massive, but I don't want to lose it because it's only on my Portsmouth loop rig.
Here comes the cod.
Whee! Get him, boys! Oh, beat the blank today.
Well done.
Told ya.
Ragworm doing its
Yeah.
magic.
Ragworm, Portsmouth loop rig. Not a bad little cod. Can't complain with that.
No, nice little cod in there. Well done.
Thank you.
Well done. That's all right. Decent, yeah.
It's proper taking the hook as well.
Yeah.
Lovely.
It's in size, but I don't think we're keeping any fish tonight, are we? Right, back to my rods.
This is the trick.
You're in?
No, I'm not. I'm changing.
Oh. Well, let's see what else we can get. Looks like Will's into a fish. Nice fish as well. What was that on, bud?
Bluey squid.
Yeah? Do some fishing, might need a landing net. Where are you? Oh yeah, nice. Nice size haddock or cod. Can't see properly.
Do we need it?
What's that cod? Yeah, we'll probably will.
Yeah, I'm not risking it.
No.
Not for the first one.
It's in the net. Catching. First cod off the trip.
One of the size.
Yeah, one is, yeah. There you go. Nice codling. Well done, bud.
Nice one.
Adam's on to something nice. Look at that bend. Look at that snow coming down as well.
God, it's not moving much, wherever it is.
Yeah?
I feel a little head kick every now and then.
What bait was it? Fish?
This one's ragworm, this, on a Portsmouth loop.
Come
So
on.
it's not my strongest rig if it's so big. Gotta play it gently, like.
Get the net ready.
I've got no idea what
Can't
it
see
is.
anything with the snow.
Yes.
Nice and easy there.
God, that was doubled right over.
Cracking bite that was.
I don't know how far it is either, lads. So
Where's your line? I can't see it because of snow.
I can't see anything.
Big whiting.
Oh, it's a white out.
Can't see.
Where's your line? Keep reeling, you're still out.
Oh, it's kicking. I think I'm getting close, boys.
Yep.
Can you see, saying?
No. Keep going.
Ooh. All right, I see my line. I see my line. Right, okay. Excuse me, Will. Excuse me, Will.
Yeah, I can see a colour.
What is it?
No, I don't know. Whoa, monster haddock. Monster haddock, mate.
Oh, it's nowhere. He's Craig. I'll be back.
Oh, he's trying to dive in.
Yeah, it's all right. All right. Well, you'll go after guide and make something.
Oh no, it's a cod. I can't see anything from the snow.
Going, boys.
Keep going. Keep going. That's it, you're in the net.
Got it.
Yep. That's a PB cod right there from the shore.
You got it.
Yeah, we've got it, bud. We've got it in the
Right.
net, boys.
Your line.
Look, Craig.
Watch your line. Carnage. Be careful.
There we go.
Not 5 people landing it.
Be careful,
Come on.
Will.
Teamwork.
Next,
Cracking teamwork this is. Look at that. All of us. Hope not one of us was dive in with the big fish. You stuck?
Walk your rod that way slowly. Use the fish to pull it out. There you go.
we got it.
Yeah.
Finally.
Brilliant, Craig.
It's
Thank you very much, man.
It's a monster.
Oh, I can't wait to see this.
He's a little fatty.
Yeah. 4 pound mark, I
Right
reckon.
belly on
4 or
it.
5 mark. Come on, Craig. What are you winching up?
We keep getting caught.
Ooh, it is a fatty.
Beautiful cod that.
Wow.
Yep. There we go.
Oh, it's chunky, isn't it?
Nice chunky. Told you it's your turn this evening, Adam.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, it's far looked.
Yeah, I've just caught it there.
No way. Down the side of the
Well, it's I must have just caught it.
Look at that. Wow. On the small one or hook, so size 1 or
Size 20 Kamasan's B905Us.
Be careful. Let's have a look at them. There we go.
There we go. What a beautiful cod. I don't think it's a PB though.
From the shore, no, yours was falling a bit, wasn't it?
I think it was £5 my one.
Yeah. Still a nice
That's
cod.
a nice fish. I'm happy with that.
Get in.
Buzzing with that.
Well done, bud.
Cheers, Craig.
Fish on, people. First fish of the evening. Bending my inner fish in my rod. Not a monster, but sizable. On the fish feed. What the hell is that?
Oh, it's a crab, yeah.
Massive.
Big old spider crab. Whoa!
Look at the claws on that. Told you, oh, so spiky these are.
Norwegian crab.
Check this out. One sec. There you go. I said it's stripping my bait
Yeah.
before. There we go. It's a female one. I'll get it chucked back anyway. See that? Everything's getting covered now with snow, but easing down now, which is good. Nice calm evening, good temperatures. Also, I've got a bite on the right hand side rod, ragworm. I thought that was a good good fish then coming in, but nice to see a spider crab, different species. But just after low water now, the tide flooding in. We did well this morning, low. We got here just after low water and had a couple of haddock. And I think Craig had 5 haddock and a codling. So coming into that time now, hopefully fish come in the feed. Next couple of hours, get some fish. At least it's a comfortable evening other than snow, but nice temperatures. Hands not freezing tonight. Nice and warm for Norway. Anyway, get back to you if you're getting more action, everyone. This time fish on, everyone, I reckon. Trying to stay deep. I need my net, boy.
Yeah, Craig's here with a net. Where's it going, Hak?
Not a clue, mate.
It's over on this side.
Shouldn't be too far now. I can't see anything. Where is it? Can you see, bud? Yeah. Where is it? Lake. Get in. Thank you.
In the net.
That was easy. a massive land in there, isn't it?
Yeah. But you can expect massive fish.
Not a monster, is it?
Not bad by any means.
Thanks very
Similar
much.
to Adams.
Thanks very much.
There you go, buddy.
Another chunky fish.
Let's have a look. Oh yeah, not a bad size, is it? Where are we? There we go, first fish. Not a bad size, about £3 mark. Happy with that, in the hard conditions, in the snow. Get in, hopefully get a bigger one.
Yeah.
Where's the otter?
It's just under that ledge there, Hak.
There.
Do you see?
Where's the fish?
Yeah, there's a fish.
Go to the left, go to the right. Go to the right.
Yeah, Craig,
there we
go
go.
to the right.
You're in, you're in, you're in.
Get it over that ledge now.
The rod tip forward, Craig. Rod tip forward, mate. Rod tip forward.
Drop it down a bit, Hak.
Yeah.
Keep going, keep going. Don't drop your GoPro, mate.
Oh no.
I don't know what you call this thing. I think it's a ratfish.
Decent size.
It's that lip there.
You might have to go to the left, Adam, onto that
Do you reckon I can
weeds.
go down and get it?
No, no, go onto the left, onto the weeds. Yeah. Keep going. Watch the chain.
Otter's not there.
No, no, you're in the net, safe. One sec, Adam. One sec. Yeah. There we go.
Roll it out.
Coming up. What fish is this?
I think it's called a ratfish.
Yeah.
No,
Oh,
it's not
ghost
ghost
shark.
shark. It's not ghost shark.
No.
No.
Hold on,
It's a
guys. It's
rat
coming
tail
up.
or something.
He's coming up.
Yeah, they call them.
Oh, fall off. Get out the ledge.
It's the ledge there, getting caught on. Yep. Just give it a good pull. Yep. And again. There we go.
Wow.
Strange looking creature anyway.
Look at the eyes on it.
Whoa.
What is it, Craig? A ratfish?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought it was.
Look at that.
Let's get out of the way.
Yeah, get it out and then have a good look at it.
Put one finger in that mouth, do you?
You don't want your finger in there, yeah? Strange looking creature, isn't it?
Put them on there. Put on there so we can see them properly. Because they've got like, there you go. Get them to stay there.
There you go, man. That's a better picture.
Got to watch out for that otter now.
Yeah,
Look
that
at
otter
that
was
as
going
well.
for it, that.
There's the otter, I didn't see that.
It followed the fish in, yeah, it's going to be following our fish in the whole time.
There it is.
You see it?
I'm not sure if you can pick it up.
Sorry, host.
There it is, guys.
I'll show you a photo of it.
There it
It's
is.
weird looking.
What you can see. Where's it gone now? Gone now anyway. Right. Good, back to the rods. Hopefully first haddock.
I'm hoping it's a haddock. It's kicking a bit.
Yeah. Could be a small haddock, Adam.
Oh,
Yeah? Fighting a bit now.
I don't know what that is, it's like bouncing. Shine it down, Hak, I can't. I have no idea what's going on. It's fighting, fighting, fighting.
Yeah?
Come on.
Oh, you want to go on your right, over the top.
Yeah.
Top.
Over my rod.
Over.
Look.
It's too long.
Is that the surface yet?
Do you need the net?
I have no idea what it is, mate. It might be.
Straight down there.
What is it?
Haddock.
Oh, ideal.
Good haddock.
Good haddock
Oh,
as
I
well.
don't want to lose this,
good
boys.
Net.
We'll bring it under this one, yeah?
Where's net?
It's over there. Bring it over to you, Craig.
First haddock for Adam, hopefully, if you land it.
Don't come off, don't
Where
come
are
off.
we? Nice one. Diving.
Alright, I'll walk back.
Yeah, keep going, Adam. Keep going.
Keep going, yeah?
Yep. You're in the net.
Got it?
Yeah. It's too late now.
On your head, Craig, the line.
Hey.
The line in your face.
No, you're right.
Oh, it's a nice haddock.
It's coming up. Patient.
Just go around to the left, Craig, go around, got that left.
Lean over, yeah. Nice one, Adam. Good fish that.
Woohoo, my first haddock.
First ever.
Yeah, first ever. Oh, that's a nice one. Thank you, Craig. That's a nice one.
It is
Look at that.
What's all over it? Oh, weed.
Yeah, weed. I'm happy with that.
Well, I think that's the biggest we caught so far out of here.
Is it?
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, nice one.
Yeah. Oh, look at the hook.
Is it hooked?
I don't know.
Yeah,
Oh,
look,
it is,
it's taking it down, yeah.
Yeah. Hold
Buzzing.
Hold up, let me see haddock. Lovely haddock. Probably the biggest one of the trip. It's straighten up, Adam, tail. Curling up a bit, yeah.
It's cold, it is. There we go.
There we go. Cracking haddock that is. There we go.
Lovely fish.
Yeah?
Definitely a PB because I've never caught one before.
Yeah, crack on, mate.
Made up with that.
Yeah, lovely fish, mate. Well done.
Thank you very much. Oh, just
There we
died.
go, guys. Who?
Just died.
Another little codling. Been hard going. Finding the fish, just finding the right size. But we're packing up now. Going back to the digs, get organised quickly. Get this head torch swapped over, get a spare one. And get on the pier again and send big bait out for monster cod, hopefully. That's the target. The lads were saying some nice cod coming out of there, over 10 pounds, so we're gonna give that a go. Release this one, it's too small for flitting. Hopefully we'll probably see you back on the pier.
Fish on again.
Adam's on fire.
Craig's little.
My all.
You gotta be happy for me,
Adam's
Craig.
got a Craig spot. Hitting the fish.
Hey, you was smashing it in that spot this morning.
Right, we're there, I can remember.
Snow started again. 1 minute clear sky, next minute.
I don't know if I'm over you though.
Yeah, you got it.
That was the leader. No, it was Craig. I don't know where you are though. There we go. What is it? Codlin.
You'll lift that up.
Another little cod in there. Oops. Adam's 4th fish of the evening. I've only had 2. How many you had, Craig?
So, little codling in that grass shaft.
Oh, Codlin.
Yeah, too small for floating, I reckon.
Yeah, check this one back if we can.
Yeah, tuck it deep.
Might be able to get that out.
Yeah, well done.